Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Nongrim Hills locality gets Rs 5 lakhs for cleanliness. In gratitude, Nong Talang College facilitates Lakman Rumboi. Ribhoi district celebrates Independence Day Platinum Jubilee in grandeur. And BSF Meghalaya celebrates 76th Independence Day. Another news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, while speaking as the chief guest in the Independence Day celebrations at Nongrim Hills, Shillong, showered praise on the role of Rang Bashnong in sharing responsibility with the state government in bringing about peace and communal harmony among the citizens in times of troubles. He also said that, at times when things turn normal, the authorities tend to forget it. This is not fair, he said. He suggested from now on, the state government will involve Rang Bashnong and localities in the activities of the government. It is time that together we engage local youths to fight against social evils like drugs, sex abuse and social harassment. The state government through the tourism department awarded Rs 5 lakhs to the Dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills for its efforts in beautifying the entire locality.
Maybe they will start doing the wrong things and maybe their energy will be utilized not for constructive purpose but for destructive purpose. And that's really where these kind of interventions play a very important role. These are small interventions but very, very effective and very meaningful interventions. And we intend to continue this every year. So therefore, one of the major themes which I spoke about today in the morning was about engagement. We realized if the government wants to work in a much more effective manner, we must engage with our farmers. We must engage with our women folk. We must engage with our youth. We must engage with our community.
As gesture of gratitude to the contributions of Sri Lakman Rumboi right from the time of its inception as member of the governing body till today as a Minister of Education, the governing body, teachers and students of Nang Talang College facilitates for his yeoman service to raise the standard of education for the people of Warjantia in general and the student community in particular in the college function held on August 16th. Shri Rumboi's keen interest for the physical development and educational progress of the college and its students has deeply impressed in the minds and thoughts of the people of this area. While as a minister in charge of education, he raised Nong Talang College into the category of People's College, whereby 40 of the staff teaching and non-teaching are entitled with government salaries. The college has also received 2 buses to cater to the need of students living in the far-flung areas to attend regular classes and on time. During the function, facilitations were also given to members of the governing body for the term 2018 to 22 and students who have passed well in the degree and class 12 exams recently. In his speech, Shri Rumboi expressed his acceptance with humility and recalled the difficulties the college had passed through in its journey in serving the people of this area, particularly the student community. He wished the management, teachers and students further success with hard work in the days to come. A word of advice, he told the students to work harder and be prepared for stiff competitions lying ahead of you in the future.
I'm very happy Chief Minister is always helpful. When I see, then I need one more. Now I know we need staff, vehicle. So this is the journey of my association with Nong Talang College. Remember, nothing will fructify. And mutual suspicious will never reach you. Mutual confidence is more important. Respect for each other is more important.
Joining with the rest of the country, district administration and the people of Ribhoi district celebrates the Platinum Jubilee of the nation's Independence Day with pomp and grandeur. The entire Paham's Aim field was decorated and bore a festive look. Minister of Urban Development Shri Hamlet Doling was the chief guest and hoisted the national flag and received the Rastriya salute during parade ceremonies. Other dignitaries and officials participated in the grand celebrations included Shri Miralbon's Aim, MLA Nongpo, Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi, Shri Arpit Upadhyay, Superintendent of Police, Shri Giri Prasad and all district heads from other departments of the state government. Thousands of citizens from nearby and far-flung areas also attended the function, and to many citizens, this might be the last one they witness in their lives. Several programs were organized the whole day. Prize distributions were given to the winners in the Independence Day Marathon, artists, sports personalities, farmers, nurses, Anganwadis, and those who have contributed towards various social services in the community.
Haka jinja keban sanam haka history ke HNLC kelapan pau yak tingla kloj keban wan shikabi kejekan lem debu kendon bat keban ya jikum kariti sesar India kejekan isuk kelas dang bat sarkar telah kanut bat nek jekan kan kut kloj nang panamra kejusuk waserta haka jela.
BSF Meghalaya celebrated the country's 76th Independence Day at Frontier Headquarters, Shillong. The celebration began with flag hoisting by Shri Inderjit Singh Rana, Inspector General BSF Meghalaya. BSF personnel deployed on border also celebrated this auspicious and proud day with flag hoisting, organizing Barakhana and distributing sweets to counterpart border force. Students of BSF schools were not lagging behind in celebrating this remarkable day. Cultural programs performed by students of BSF schools Umpling captivated all the spectators. Attending the program, IGBSF Meghalaya extended his wishes and motivated students to keep the nation on topmost priority and to become good citizens of India. On this auspicious occasion, IGBSF Meghalaya also visited the Composite Hospital BSF Shillong and wished patients to get well soon, besides presenting them fruit baskets. He also conveyed his greetings to the people of Meghalaya, to all members of the force and their families. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.